Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to take a look at the tango walk and common mistakes that you should avoid.
If you are ready, let's go to the video. Okay, showing you common mistake that followers sometimes do when walking backwards. We should extend the leg and go to this position, collecting for next step. Now, sometimes followers, when we do this step back, we have the habit to step, making the step shorter, moving in your toes or your foot. So this is very dangerous because he's stepping there. If you do this, that creates like shorter step for next one. It feels almost like on top, and then you repeat this again. So you're making your step shorter and shorter and shorter without having a conscience of this or noticing. So we have to be sure when the leg is there and he moves forward, we move back exactly to that point without doing, let me go back to the position, without doing this, returning this foot, or sometimes if this is open position, sometimes we see the followers doing this, making this square. So if the leg is open, the foot is open, be careful, don't face him with your toes and return to the position.
What she just mentioned is very, very important. It's very common. I experience that a lot during classes. When the follower rotates, I feel an extra pull and my lower back suffers because you have to contract and support that. Now, one tip for the leaders. Leaders, when we are walking front, we have to make sure that we send the leg first and then we push, we push with the back leg. Tac, tac, in order to push with the base leg, and she will receive the connection on our upper area, which is the rib cage. Tac. Be careful. Let me rewind, for example. Don't do this. Tac. Making it a little bit short and trying to push with the torso. Yes. Sometimes we confuse the terminology. Leaders, we have to push with the torso, and we start doing this. Walking, yes, but the main thing that we have to understand is that she receives the lead from the torso, from the ribcage area, but the actual strength comes from the base leg. Pushing the floor, I will do it on this direction so you can see it. Tac, 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 yes, instead of doing one. Yes, that's one of the correction. She has another one.
Yeah, before going to the next one, we are doing a research. We like to know which level are you, because we are going to create new content.
Yes.
And we like to know if it's more beginners, intermediate, or advanced students or dancers and tangueros to know the next topic, right?
Yes, let us know in the comments below what is your level, and so we can, if you prefer something in particular. Yes. So now we have another one.
Yeah, the next one is when you walk forward, followers. We have to rotate the leg, and the common mistake is going to that leg, in this case with the left. You're doing this, going to the left, pivoting or rotating the leg in. So when the leg is open, we should go to that position, in open position. See, this is open, the toes are facing the leader. Be careful, don't do this, because then later, when you like to pivot, you are going to feel this position, all the toes facing in. And the ideal position is the toe facing out when you step and when you are pivoting or creating the next figure. So very important, we position open, pivot, opening, and keep that opening foot position for the next one.
Yes. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. for being here. And also we would like to mention that we are wearing our own brand of tango clothing, tango pants for leaders, which is Tango Dappers, and Esplendida.
Skirts and tops. So you go to our website and get all you like.
Miriam, leonardotango.com, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.